Hey there, fellow work-from-home enthusiast. I've got some exciting news for you. I've uncovered a list of secret websites that pay a cool $10 a day. And here's the best part. These websites are lesser known, so you won't have to worry about too much competition eating into your earnings. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Merch by Amazon. Now, we all know about the regular Amazon marketplace, but this one's a bit different. With Merch by Amazon, you can design and sell your own print-on-demand t-shirts. It's super easy. Just create a design and the platform takes care of the rest. Cha-ching! Next on the list is Neighbor. This nifty platform allows you to rent out extra storage space to folks in need. Got a spare garage, driveway, or storage shed? Put it to good use and earn some cash. If you can make at least $300 a month, you'll easily hit that $10 daily earnings goal. Are you a master of online research? Then Wonder is the place for you. They'll pay you around $8 to $16 for each detailed research report you submit for a client. Each report takes about an hour to complete, and you'll be rewarded handsomely for your efforts. Ever heard of Quick Rewards? It's been around for a couple of decades, but surprisingly, not many people know about it. You can earn money online by taking quick surveys, browsing the web, watching videos, and completing offers. The payouts for most tasks range from 75 cents to $2. Not bad for some extra pocket change. Now, here's a unique one, Rapify. This clever app pays you to wrap your car in advertisements. The more you drive, the more you earn. Some people make up to $300 a month just by advertising companies on the side of their vehicle. Talk about turning your daily commute into a money-making opportunity. If you're into custom merchandise, you'll love Cafe Press. This print-on-demand website lets you create and sell your own designs on various products like t-shirts, mugs, hats, and more. Get your creative juices flowing and start earning. Imagine getting paid for your internet searches. Well, with QMe, it's possible. Think of it as a paid search engine. Simply download the browser extension, click on sponsored results, complete surveys, and special offers to earn extra cash. Easy peasy. Here's a website with a catchy name, Idle Empire. They pay users for participating in a wide range of consumer research. Take surveys, watch videos, and perform quick tasks to earn rewards. The best part? You can even withdraw your rewards in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. How cool is that? If you're a music lover, video game enthusiast, or enjoy watching online videos, then Current Rewards is your go-to app. They'll pay you for doing what you love. You can choose to withdraw your rewards in cash or snag some awesome gift cards. It's like getting paid to have a good time. Last but not least, we have Mobrog. It's a survey rewards site that connects brand owners with users like you who are interested in getting paid for their opinions. Help brands gain insights into their products and services while earning some extra cash. So there you have it, 10 secret websites that can bring in $10 a day. With these hidden gems, you'll have the opportunity to generate at least $100 a day in online income. Now go forth, explore these sites, and let the money-making adventures begin. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.